Okay. What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Praise. Feel me? Oh, there's dust up. But I don't got on my pavement when there's dust. So you guys, we are here in Zimbabwe. It is, guys. It's another dollar. Today we're going to. So guys, about the construction now. They are making, you know what I'm saying? What do you call it? A pavement. But anyways, I was saying we are going to Tanaka's birthday. You feel me? Now right now it's around past 5 to 6 p.m. Yeah, guys. Today the hood is so noisy. Yo. It's very noisy. Anyways, I hope you can hear me nicely. We're going to Tanaka's birthday. You feel me? So right now, I'm gonna go and do in drive. Feel me? But muka kanonetsa kupinda maiziya kurequesta in drive unofara kutumira code kuna driver ozoita sei ozotanga direct driver mama driver akadzungira, so it takes time more than kungofamba kuenda pagate wega unotora in drive yako panze because ka small area vanoziva mavlogs ka small gated area. So now I'm walking to Pick and Pay do requesta in drive yangu, and then we'll go. So stay tuned, watch the video to the end, like, comment and share. Let's get it. So guys, I'm Ndovani, feel me? Ndovani Pick and Pay there. And then the gate that I was telling you about, I don't know if you can all see it, but yeah, let's go. So this is our Pick and Pay down there. Yeah. So guys, look at the Tanaka with ango with the say. Ango asunga yakapatoka na yogurt kana chocolate. Huh? But anyways, today let me go get something for my, you know what I'm saying, for my nieces in it. So let's see what we can get. Maybe yogurt or something. Let us see. Wait, you don't borrow a vlog. Oyo, you buy a birthday kwa Tanaka. I'm no rakop right now. So I get a better side. Say 1 liter or something. Vanilla or shit. Okay. I think let me get this one. What do you think, guys? Mami is mangan. Yeah. This one. So guys, I think a liter. I think a liter. I'm sure the liter they will drink 2 times. Feel me? Yeah, a liter they will, you know what I'm saying? 1 2 times. So let's get it. So guys, I think you all know that Panaba we got liquor behind me and Angry Loud and Pick and Pay. So let's go in liquor and see what we can grab in Yana. You feel me? Tumbuwezera makula. Yeah, let's go. Let's see what we can. Let's see what we can get. I'm a super. I'm a label. Let's check Anta's goals. Yeah. And that's cool. Sharp people. There's the essay. Sharp. Guys, I had to buy at the in drive and the one. And I took a lot of time with the one. Yo, I was Zimbabwe. You know, it's from Sassage, it's my in drive in India. But anyways, let's go. So guys, this is the car. So guys, I'm in drive right now. and the driver knows I can change because I need to change. I think I'm going to track a buy. Show me, and yeah, then to buy. So make sure you stay tuned and watch the video to the end. Like, comment, share. Let's get it.
Dombo shinga zingwa ndombo pingwa ndine mazano obari muchipfuwa naizvaibvira yachikwana nguva kuzama ndrokuzama asiya reba nguva mwari pindirai mukubata mwari pindirai.
How are you, Miss Kimaya? All right. Yeah, okay. Come here. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Kushanda tinoshanda asi azvikwani shuwa kutsvaga tinotsvaga asi azvikwani. Pinda moyo, pinda mchipfuwa, tese tiri kuvavarira, tiri kushingirira mwari ndiri kuzama, ndiri kubatanza, ndiri mutadzi dzimwe nguva ndombokanganisa mwari shungu dzangu nebudo yangu dai matisanganisa, ndomboshinga dzimwe nguva ndombopingwa, ndine mazano, bhobha ri muchipfuwa, dai zvaibvira, yachikwana nguva kuzama ndiri kuzama asiya reba nguva, mwari pindirai, mukubata umu, mwari pindirai. Mukushanda mwari pindirai mukufamba mwari pindirai imo mukutamba hatifanirwe kujaira izvi kugara munhamo hatifanirwe kujaira izvi
Today is my brother's dad.
Oh.
Birthday.
Okay, so we're gonna cut the cake.
Today's what?
It's not yours. It's Dada's cake.
So I guess good morning. It's another day, another dollar. It's day after Tanaka's birthday, and today I'm gonna do some, house chores. Because the duty to clean the passage, the kitchen, the toilet and stuff. So yeah, guys, do with me. Tingo 2 minutes. Tingo gaga 2 minutes. And then yeah, feel me. Let's get it. So I just put some pine gel here. I just put some safe. This is the water, some safe. And this is the pine gel as well. So I'm gonna, yeah, let's get it.
Dali, dali, ndiuthando weqiniso, nguwe wethu bambulami. Dali, dali, ndifuna wena wedwa bomini bami. Uthandwe ndimi uncumo lwakhe luyandiphambanisa.
Oyo. So yeah, man, I got invited to a shoot with one of the biggest YouTubers, in fact the biggest YouTuber in Zimbabwe, Kelvin Billiard. So I got Rasta here, and we're going. So yeah, we're gonna meet him in town, and then we're going to Madokero, and then we go to Madokero for the shoot. So yeah, go with us. We are using Kombi. We are saving at Namad. Tabaru mona Kombi takaenda. Ramira Kombi ruko kwa hiyo. And then yeah, we go. So yeah, go with us on. Guys, look at my max. GGI baby. I got big. I got big with stuff. You feel me? So yeah, make sure you stay tuned. Watch it, like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's get it. You know Jerry Bonongo? You're not the biggest YouTuber. In Fakos. Can't be the town. That's it. Fakos. So guys, I'm town. We're in town right now. And Tanaka Magic. Tanaka Kelvin video. Kwa Magic. The other change of plans. We're supposed to meet Kuna 4th. But right now, let's go. Right now, Tanaka and I Kwa Magic, sir. Let's go together. And see what's popping. Let's go. What's on? Join, I guess what you billboard show. Try to find some speed, guys. So guys, let's get it. So guys, free promo. Show me. Stop XQ on the Tapindra na rasta man. But XQ, Magic about to sponsor free promo for his sneakers. But yeah guys, Tamira Kelvin watch. Stay tuned. Trangu kura mpano. Yodere kamika ba model tu.
Matthew 5 verse 5, which says, "Blessed are the meek, for they shall inherit the earth." And I want to lie, some point I'm not saying no more different experiences with me, but I don't think I'm going to come. But yeah, those that are pure and I'm wangu, rest in peace, man. Such a genius. I don't know what it is. But I'm going to name.
Yeah, I'm vlogging. You wanna be in my vlog? Oh, yeah, in my vlog now. Are you in YouTube for you? I don't Ali. Can I use you? Okay. So I guess like one view of this boys. My issue. Yeah. Mama couldn't greet us out of no man. Equipment nene. And then there's me. Do you have any equipment wrong that I can't so? Did you the equipment the phone young pan in this already? But anyways. Anyway, YouTube. Nonsense. Another YouTubers here. So yeah. So guys, at Tanaka shoot. We're getting ready. Yeah.
My role is just to make the video flow, to help you. Even ask me, what do you think? You have that right. So, don't worry about the intro. We can just start. So, praise, you can just start by saying, "Hi, my name is Rynesu." Remember, you're supposed to lie or tell the truth.
Okay.
So, you can say, "Hi, my name is Praise, I am this." So, camera rolling, and you can just ask him first, introduce yourself, and then... So, camera rolling in action. So, sorry, camera, say something. Hey, I introduce yourself. Okay. 1, 2. Good, we're good. So, camera rolling and action.
Hi, my name is Penelope Ofadzai, whichever you prefer. Can you please introduce yourself to the floor?
Okay. Hi. My name is Mr. Jones. I'm from the UK, and I'm the owner of Jones Tradings.
Jones Tradings. You're writing that, Mr. Jones. Mr. Jones. You said you're from which company?
Actually, I'm from the UK.
Yeah.
But I'm the owner, the CEO of Jones Tradings or Jones Investments.
Yeah, you're okay.
Mama, anything else to
Where would you get a camera?
You're all liars.
I'm not a liar, winner. I'm one of the richest.
You two are lying to
I'm one of the richest men.
To a
Name my
fellow
wife,
girl. You are lying.
I'm one of the richest men in Zimbabwe.
Yeah, I'm going to come down.
In Zaramgo. Yeah.
But we did well.
So guys, I'm chilling. Now to the baby dinner last time, man. Should I buy dinner? You know what I'm saying? So just requested in drive. And yeah, we're waiting for it to pull up. And then we go. Let's get it. I don't know what. So guys, tasvika paAspindale. Here's our in-drive behind. Tadzoka manje, we out at Aspindale. Tadzoka kumba. So yeah, let's see what toita say. Sofamba say, deropera say. You understand? Let's get it. So guys, I promise you, I wanna come and stay kuma flats kuno. But the problem. Oh, I'm not okay. I think you all guys, you can see me clear now. I think I promise you guys my flats. But before before I approach at the guards room, I think what I'm gonna do is wait, guys. If I look for your house, who is gonna decorate for me? Where am I going to get the notes? Decorate this whole nice apartment. Cleanliness. Those are the guys. Magano checker this page. Munoona how to decorate your house. Munoona how to cook, how to be smart, how to clean your house, and how to do everything. Guys, amanaga. Kumbiro guys. Mukuona this channel nesaba screen panapai inokudzidzisai kudekoreta, inokudzidzisai kucheresa mumba, kucleana vadzimai. Musave mukazari utsvina mana kune dzimwe dzimba dzoti wakapinda so aunge kana mvura, kune dzimwe dzimba dzoti wakapinda nyangwe une nzara audye, kune dzimwe dzimba dzoti mutoilet yemuchemo you be shocked kuti toilet inoshandiswa nevanhu here kana toilet inoshandiswa nemhuka. So guys, tinotaura kuti musandapinda maflats munomuka rege tibate muridze this channel anidzidzise how to clean, how to decorate your house nicely, how to do everything that you can do or everything that you need to do as the owner of the apartment or as a lady. So guys, musakangana kunocheka channel muchisubscribe, muchinofollowa utsanana unoitwa sei abereki. Everything kubika kunoitwa sei, kukwesha dzimba, matabu zvinokweshwa, machemba zvinokweshwa, madziro, everything zvinochereswa mumba. Mukadzi ngaagone kubika. Nyango munurume, nyango bachelor. So before I go into this flats, ndapedza kuona this channel and then I'll go straight to the guards room. Oro, what do you think, cameraman? If I watch the channel Canada Kumba, maybe I watch it Canada Kumba, but you, after watching this video, go and check it so long so that Baroshka Kumba we check the channel together. This channel kurongedza kuita say everything that you might need or everything that you want to know. Chekufadza munhu wako murume wako. Iwe uri mukadzi ane utsanana, kwete mukadzi ane utsvina. Iwe uri mukadzi anowacha mashitsi. Iwe uri mukadzi anoita everything. Chinene zvekuchena zaimba dzidziswe nemukadzi yarapa po. This channel yakandifadza zvekuti I will keep on talking about it each and every time that I drop a vlog till ndapinda mu new apartment. Anyways guys, let's go to the guards room and check what are the requirements and what should I do to get the apartment or let us see if we don't apartment. I think you can see this apartment manabe. It's clear and it's empty. Feel me? You can see it's empty. So this empty apartment, for me to get it, I think I have to go and approach the guards room and ask them how can I get it. You feel me? So let's go and check and ask how we're gonna get into the flats and how do we apply. The last time that we checked, we were given number of the agent, but unfortunately the agent didn't reply us. You feel me? And and so the other teachers agent also. But now I think I'm gonna go to the guards room again, re-ask. You know what I'm saying? And maybe we'll get some info. If we get some residents to ask, maybe we'll get some info. But anyways, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. As long as you see this content or this, this video, make sure you like, comment, share. You subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. I think road to 20,000. We're not stopping. Road to 30,000 this January. We're not stopping again. So, go with me, guys, and see what's happening and what's popping. I will keep on giving you more and more info. Let's get it. So guys, talk about dinner now. Feel me? Unfortunately, at the info tower, but we're gonna keep on searching, man. Hopefully, we're gonna find something. Also, I just wanna keep on appreciating the person who bought this. Like, I'm really loving quality to that. You feel me? This is dope. I don't wanna lie. Anyways, stay tuned. Bueno, mera singomo. Abana, nambo yapana panjindutsaga room ngatumga. But then mkazi wachina asikubatika ndongari kwandire something. Nachimbiro kakakadi kana mune kamwe ndokwasobata mkatu. Kakadara dai imba mkatu.
Alimakaudza pepa yekuti munhu amurokwanisa ane simba nedzimba idzi. Kana tiona.
Asikubatika ndongakwandirwa ndizo.
Ndinongari pana pana.
Anogara mu.
Andoswera pana.
Aswera pana. Satomtemera zvingo yemangwana.
Makuseni.
Makuseni.
Anenge pana.
Ma 8. Andizika. Maita basa ngoma uchata sekudaro.
Every day anenge pana.
Andizika.
Ayo ndandobatika wese.
Andizika.
Mangopedzera madiki diki.
Tapera madiki. Oh. Maita basa. Because ndonga pa phone anowandirwa ndizvo.
Chimu chinotowandirwa manje.
Awa isinyaya. Ha? Ezonchi? Awa kana asikurekoda chakazima chofareta green. chovareta green achirikoti maita bo saka chatemera mangwana sharp bo sharp asi kubatika ndomutemera mangwana saka ndigombara tu.
So guys, it's later today. I'm coming from chicken and I just bought this. Yo guys, this nyama yachaga, it looks dry. And I think I drink it on, I didn't know there's a special. And I bought this drink. After buying this drink, I was going to top adding a flavor. Then that's the end of thing that though, but I don't need some acids. Feel me? Yeah, it's chicken in. What time is it now? 7:34. Feel me? So yeah, I'm gonna eat this food, and then after eating this food, I will see what I can do. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna end this vlog, but I'm gonna end it tomorrow. I don't know. So guys, make sure you stay tuned, you watch the video to the end. You like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's get it.
So guys, it's another day, another dollar. Yo, where's the sun? I don't know. But yeah, we're going to, this is the flat that I wanna stay, guys. And room I check on it my apartments are you know what I'm saying, 2 bedrooms, 2 beds and dining, of which I don't want the 2 bed because it's too expensive. Plus I won't use it. I just need a room, bruh. What am I going to put in a 2 bed? You can see up there. So I need to get like a small family to share with. Feel me? Dudes, anyways, we're going to get some food. To not take sadza go road to sadza rice, I don't know. But yeah, we're going to buy some food, and then I'll end this vlog. You know what I'm saying? But firstly, I wanna go and pick some money, pick and pay. You know, because there are some people in my channel promotions. Now, so I'm going to collect it now, and then after I'll go and eat. So yeah, guys, go with me to pick and pay. Guys, look at this and pick and pay. This is pick and pay. And I'm going about this like a minute away. No, I'm saying it's like a minute walk. Right here. So yeah, our gate is now working. But this time, and in a card because card regular just go every month. That can get $10. This month I was so stingy and I owe me road. And January is this. So I was on Tanaka. Month I don't know pay, but yeah, I know it's not worth it because reduce. I just choose a time. So I didn't go pinda. So it's just the one about. So this is the gate. Let's go. Oyo. Why does it?
Go.
Say my mix. What about that?
No.
What's
Depending number.
782. So guys, I think you also Tanaka bageta. So kana usina card kana usinga garomo nodzurwa zvikuitwa moto kwenda kweyo. They will chain you. Well, they only need my residence, you know what I'm saying? It's for security reasons. I think you can see. I'm about to get remote. I have to tip card to just repeat it for the sale. So yeah, let's go. Pick and pay. Collect the money. Feel me? Let's go. So I guess natura mari. Naenda kwenda kuno, you know what I'm saying? So let's go, man. Mambo za pandochika. Achimusika. Mambo akurizwa ba copyrights. Mwe waru kuchishi radio chao. Maamuka. So nogeza maoko wako pana. Feel me, ndo nogeza maoko. And then here's the place. So junky, but yeah, I love it over here. So guys, chikapya kina. There's the coleslaw and pork. Let's eat. So guys, I bet you have come to the end of the vlog. Oyo, Narastaman. So right now we're in Glenora and we finna go and shoot couple of phones for 6 seconds. Feel me? And tashka mashkwede panapa amapranga. And we wanna go and get some water. Feel me? Saka, if you've watched the vlog to the end, I want to write a vlog kuti W mashkwede. Yeah, W mashkwede aniga. Yeah, bonzo papera vlog panapa. Wanna go and grab some water and stuff. So I want you to write down with W Mashkwede so that I'll know if you have watched the vlog. You know what I'm saying? Till the end. Feel me? So yeah. Let's get it.